Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Binance account to an external automation using an API key. It's a very simple process and we are using Binance. For most people, it's the easiest place to start, not only if you are doing trading on your own, but also if you are trading with bots or third-party systems. This video is for beginners. We are going to cover how to swap or convert your coins properly, how to activate your futures account, how to transfer those funds from spot to futures, and finally, how to create a secure API key the right way, including IP restrictions and the correct permissions to enable. The goal with all of this is simple: allow a particular automation to trade on our behalf without giving access to withdraw your funds. If you follow these steps, you will not have any errors or security issues. If you don't have a Binance account yet, you can click in the first link in the description. That will take you directly to the official website. The registration process is super simple. The first step is perform your KYC. They will ask you for your real name, document, and face recognition. After your KYC is approved, now you need to deposit. You're going to click right here. It will show you all of these options. The one we are going to take is deposit crypto if you are transferring from an external wallet. Select the coin, select the network, generate your address, transfer your capital. After you receive your deposit, just click where it says assets and click in spot. Here is where you can see all your balances. Now we are going to convert some of these USDT into BNB. We always gonna need BNB to pay gas fees. Make sure you always have a balance to cover transactions. Now we are going to click where it says convert. That is going to open this window. We select here USDT. Right below, we are going to select BNB, and this process applies for any other coin. Here I type the amount that I want to convert into BNB, and then I click in convert. Now, as you can see, there is my USDT and a small amount of BNB. What we're gonna do now is create our futures account. To do that, click right here where it says USD futures. All right, that is gonna take us to the trading hub. We need to agree to the terms and conditions. Clicking activate now. You will see right here something that says finish quiz to get started. I recommend you to do that first because sometimes the API connection doesn't work even when you are following all the right steps. And one of the reasons is because we haven't finished this quiz. So click there. They are going to give you 14 questions, but don't worry if you don't know the answers. Here is a trick that you can use. Just click in any of the boxes. And if you select the wrong answer, don't worry. It will highlight the right one right after. Now you just click on it and click next. Do that 14 times and you'll be fine. Now we're going to go back to the dashboard and back to the spot wallet. What we need to do is transfer our capital from the spot wallet to the futures account that we just create. So go where you have your balance, click in these three dots. It will show these options, and then we click where it says transfer. We're going to transfer from spot to futures, right? Select the crypto where you have your balance. Type here the amount that you want to transfer. You don't need to transfer everything. Probably you want to leave some of that amount in a spot for spot trading, and some of your BNB, the same, to pay gas fees in spot trading. Or if you want to transfer everything, that's fine. You just click in max, click in confirm. And now when you go to assets, futures, now you will see your assets in your futures account. You can follow the exact same process to transfer your BNB. Just select right here, BNB. And here is an extra tip. Enable this option. It will give you a discount of 10% on your BNB fees. Binance is constantly updating the site. If you don't see this option right here, what you can do is click where it says markets, go to the bottom of the page where you have all of these options and click in fees. And in that page, you can enable the same option for spot trading and for futures trading. We are almost there. Now, for the final step, we are going to create the API connection. We're going to click right here where it says account. It will show all of these options, and then we click where it says API management. You need to agree to the terms and conditions. We are going to click where it says create API. We select the first box. We give a name to this connection, and then you will see a window just like this one. There is your API key. You can copy it and paste it in your external software or external automation. Here is the secret key. This one you need to select it, copy it, and paste it in your external automation. And that external software is going to give you an address. That's how you're going to create a private integration so Binance know they are allowed to trade on your behalf. First, we need to enable that option, which is this one, restrict access to trusted IP. If we click right here, it's not going to work. What we need to do first is click where it says edit restrictions. And now it's going to enable that option. We click on this one. We paste all of those addresses in this box and we click in confirm. Once you click in confirm, it's going to add all of those addresses to the integration and it's going to unlock this panel right here where you need to select this enable futures and enable spot and margin trading. Do not enable the other options. We don't want them to have access to withdrawals. We don't want them with universal access. You simply enable the options that you see in the screen and now you click in save. Now you should have a secure API connection. And that's exactly all that I want to show you in this video. If you found some value, I will appreciate your likes and your comments. Before we go, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Thank you so much for your company, and I'll see you in the next one.